guys, it's the Art of Man here. Today I'm going to be unboxing the tripod 3120A. As you can see right here, this tripod is a mid-range tripod. It helps in shooting for upcoming YouTubers, for premium YouTubers who don't want to shoot new videos without use of huge budget devices and huge budget things. This is what you can do to shoot your videos straight up. So stay tuned for the unboxings. That's going to help you in the next few minutes. We're going to see the unboxing right now. Stay tuned. It has a 3-way head built-in level 4 to seconds aluminum legs. That's what you can see right here. I'm going to show you in a second now. Quick lever clock. The 3-way head is like this. It has a 3-way head in respect of it turns up vertically, turns down horizontally, which means you can use to shoot YouTube videos and shoot TikTok videos, Instagram videos, Instagram reels, TikTok reels, and so on, and even Twitter as well. So it turns vertical and horizontal. When you want to shoot YouTube videos, you turn the phone vertical as well. So if you want to take portrait shots, you know how to do that. It makes it affordable and makes it efficient to do that. Also, it has a 3-way head. I've just extended that right now. The tripod 3120A right here. It has 4 aluminum legs altogether. That means the aluminum legs you see here, they're all 12 legs altogether. When it's fully with each other, all these things you see right here, they're the clips. When you are done with lifting the tripod up to the brim to see that 40 feet accurate perception, everything joins together and stays firmly to prevent the tripod from falling. Sometimes some people forget to clip it when they are making use of the tripod itself and fall. So that's how it works. Yes, and it has a quick lever lock. The quick lever lock over there, drop. So I'm going to show you that so quick. This is how it looks like. Make it lock with the screw there, tighten it for making it to lock. And also, I forgot to mention, there is a lever, like a calibration lever right here, that's just like a green liquid that makes you know how smooth and how tall your background or slopey your background is as well. So take note of that. And anytime you're taking shots, sometimes people might say their videos are really shaky, their videos are not straight, they're not portrait, they're not really horizontal. It's because they don't make use of that stabilization lever, or you can also call it calibration lever, right to the top there. So it has a tripod as well. It comes with this aluminum plastic tripod where it adjusts and you stick on your phone. It also has this certain type of camera background where you stick your camera as well. You can also stick your camera here, although it's not really meant for professional camera. It shakes and it damages easily. It's not really something that can handle with a huge amount of phone or something. It's just a tripod that handles like mid-range. You understand what I mean? Not something really heavy, but it gets the job done. That's the main part. This tripod gets the job done. Don't forget to click the link in the description to watch the main video. Click this link so I can watch more videos like this on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, share it to whoever wants, because I'm back in the YouTube game, about to take it over. Thanks for watching.